How to delete VK account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete VK account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting a VK account is also quite simple. Open up the VK application over here, then just come to the profile icon from the bottom right here. Once you come to the profile page, tap the three dots option from the top right, look for the option called edit profile from here and then tap on it. From the edit profile page, simply scroll down to security tab as you can find here. Then once you come to security, again scroll down to the very bottom after this page loads up. Then you'll find a button that says delete VK ID account. So tap on it, tap on delete account, and then you'll be able to delete your VK ID. This way you can delete your VK account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.